Hi, it's Jacob here, and in this short quick tip video, I'm going to show you a brand new feature in iPadOS 18.4 called Ambient Music Playlists. These are helpful little toggles you can add to Control Center, which will immediately play some calming, relaxing, or focused music for you. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, please do give it a like. That will really help my videos get seen by more people on YouTube. And if you want to learn more about your iPad, you could always subscribe too. Okay, here we go. At the moment, I'm trying to work on a trip to Vegas, and there's a lot of stuff going on, and I really want to kind of concentrate on what I'm doing. And normally I'd jump into Apple Music and I'd search for a playlist, perhaps a focus one or a chilled one, and then I'd press play on that playlist. There's actually a much quicker way of doing that if your iPad's fully up to date. I'm going to pull down from the top right-hand corner of my screen to open up Control Center, and then I'm going to press the plus button in the top corner to add a new control. From here, I'm simply going to search for Ambient Music, and you're going to see 4 new toggles showing up here. These are 4 different buttons you can add to Control Center. I'm going to choose the productivity option to begin with, and when that's dropped into Control Center, I can pull the bottom right-hand corner to stretch it slightly to make it easier button to tap. I'm going to press plus one more time to add a second one, and let's add the sleep music one just while we're here. Now, when I first did this, I was a little bit concerned because I have a particular playlist I really like in Apple Music that helps me kind of focus when I'm working, and I was worried that this toggle might play just a random set of songs. Well, actually, while you're still in editing mode, you can tap onto those buttons, and you can choose which playlist will be played. So for the sleep playlist, I quite like the sound bath option. I'll tap onto there. And then for the productivity one, I'm going to choose this option as well, which I quite like listening to when I'm working. Now, when I exit the editing mode, I can tap on the toggle, and the music will start. And you can actually see at the top of Control Center there that the now playing screen has changed to show the music that's currently playing. You won't be able to hear this because I don't want to get a YouTube copyright strike, but trust me, it's really sleepy and calm, lovely piece of music. And of course, I can then control that from the top of my screen, or I can tap onto the other button in Control Center, and then I can start playing the productivity playlist as well. Just a really quick tip there to help you make the most of your iPad, and please do check out my channel for loads more.